Okay, have you got the pop-up?
Yeah.
Okay, so now this is a DDC. DDC means the delivery controller. So this is a completely blank machine. Okay. If I go here on local server, you will be able to see the host name. So now what I have to do, I have to put that machine into the domain, which is, let me change the host name and let me enter the domain, which is abc.com. So just let me know, be honest, how much time you have to complete that stuff, because completing the practical kind of thing. So let me show you here. So
I,
the
to,
entire
I don't
field.
have to.
Mhm.
Yeah. I don't have anything
No,
I don't
in the
have to do
morning you
anything
just told me, na,
practical.
it is just quite urgent, right? So,
Yeah, it's tomorrow, so I have to explain them what we have in our infrastructure. So
mhm.
I did not want to be underconfident. I was like, it's better to take training and understand what we have
Okay,
before I explain
okay,
to them.
so what I will suggest to you is that, like, with that diagram and that diagram, you will get some idea like how things works. Okay, but
Yeah,
we can also cover up this from 1 to 10 steps. Okay, so after all the 10 lectures, you will be clear practically, not
yes,
theoretically. Okay,
yes,
because
yes,
theoretically you may forget in some time. It is means we are all are human, right? So
yes.
if I explain you something theoretically, you may forget after 1 week or 1 month. Okay, it's totally up to you actually. But I suggest you here, please go through the practicals. Although I am configuring the delivery controller for you right now. Okay, give me a moment.
You know what? I actually wanted to do it long time ago. But the thing is,
So
due to the
you are too late actually
limited
then in that
hardware.
case.
Yeah,
No, 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 that is not a big deal. Okay, so if you don't have that much of
yeah.
hardware, I am having my own servers which is installed in my lab. So if you need
Okay.
any hardware, I can provide you the remote access to those hardware. You can take a RDP from your location and you can perform the entire lab setup, whatever I'm going to show you. Got it?
I think we should do. I will definitely do it with you, but definitely I will contact you for that.
Yeah, sure. So because okay, okay. Give me a moment. Let me make one call because I
Yeah,
have one of my student whose lab is totally ready. Okay, so if I'm going to create a lab, it may take some time. Okay, so let me call
yeah,
him. If he is available, we can add him in call as well. Okay,
yeah,
so it will save that time.
yeah.
किधर है? अच्छा ये बोल रहा हूँ तेरी लैब रेडी है क्या सिट्रिक्स का? तो लैब अगर रेडी है तो आना 2 मिनट सेशन पे आना कुछ कर रहा है क्या? हाँ तो हाँ तो मैं इनवाइट भेज रहा हूँ तेरे को उसको ज्वाइन कर ले ठीक है। उसमें एमसीएस वाला लैब रेडी किया था कि पीबीएस किया था? एमसीएस डिलीवरी कंट्रोलर कॉन्फ़िगर कर लिया था ना उसमें? नहीं वो सिट्रिक स्टूडियो तो कॉन्फ़िगर किया होगा ना? हाँ ठीक है ना, वो ज्वाइन करना यार। मैं क्या लैब बनाऊंगा, टाइम लगेगा, एक स्टूडेंट है साथ में। तो मैं लैब बनाऊंगा तो 2-3 घंटे लैब बनाने में चले जाएंगे। ठीक है, मैं इनवाइट भेज रहा हूँ तो ज्वाइन कर लेंगे ठीक। Yeah, hi. Actually, I'm having one more student. I hope you can understand Hindi as well.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So I'm having one of my junior actually. So let's wait for him because
What sort of tickets you get? for Citrix.
Yeah, actually, I'm a kind. I'm into the like imaging wizard, right? Like PBS kind of
Okay,
things, and I'm also into the basically I'm working for architect kind of thing. Like I'm working as a
okay,
project lead here, and we are having multiple projects from multiple clients. So we have to first we have to take the requirements from the clients, like how many VDIs, how many users they have, and as per their requirement, the application, the load, whatever they have, as per their requirement, I have to suggest them like that much of infra you have to create, and whatever the costing and whatever the licensing, I have to guide them as per the policies what we have here. So basically, I am into the data center designing only.
okay, nice.
And we are discussing the personal thing, so I'm not going to share the recording of this to you, okay?
Oh, you can share, you can trust me.
No, no, I will share. No issue.
Is it getting recorded actually?
I clicked on it, na. Recently, you got pop up, na. Session recording has been started, something like that.
Yeah, it doesn't show here, that's why.
No, you will never see.
Okay, so you have to share the recording to me, I think.
I will share, but please do not post
Okay.
all those recording
No,
over
no,
any.
never, never. Trust me. Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for him. In between, what I can do for you. Okay, this is my DDC, so no network adapter here.
What do you say about Citrix in one word? Like, if I ask, is it easy or difficult?
It is very, very easy, but you have to give at least 15 days. Like for me,
Okay,
for me only, I'm talking about myself only. After 15 days, you will be able to answer each and every question, whatever you have in your mind. It's my promise because I'm having, I've already, educated I think more than thousands of students. And initially I
yeah,
was used to do that at free of cost. Why? Because on that time I was seeking for some content to be recorded. So initially I did that actually, but now it is a huge kind of messages of what I'm getting in my inbox, right? So right now it's quite hard for me. And one more thing that I'm doing, which is very good, that is that I always prefer to have one-on-one sessions only. I never take a class with hundred of students, right? Because I'm not doing any kind of business with this thing. So that is the only reason.
that's a very good thing actually. Um, I what I have noticed is when any trainer gives class to a group, he does his job and leaves.
Yeah, student will be blank na after the class. What they
Yes,
have to do, they have to
yes,
follow the document, whatever given to them, right? So that doesn't
yes.
make any sense. And also, if you go to the U Academy or any other like website, they are charging that much of amount for pre-recorded videos only. Like what they will do, they will share some 10 to 15 pre-recorded videos to you, and after that, it will be your job to follow them.
Yeah.
So that is not the thing. Akhilesh, you there?
Yes, sir, I'm.
सो गया था क्या?
Uh, नहीं, नहीं. So, can I share my screen?
एक मिनट 1 मिनट. हाँ शेयर कर दे, वैसे ही मेरा सिस्टम रिबूट हो रहा है, शेयर कर दे.
होस्ट डिजेबल. आप परमिशन दो ना.
परमिशन नहीं है क्या? वेट अ मिनट. नहीं यार, मैंने दिया. एक
होस्ट डिजेबल पार्टिसिपेंट स्क्रीन शेयरिंग.
1 मिनट 1 मिनट. क्या हुआ, तेरा इंटरव्यू का कुछ हुआ?
वो दो तीन कंपनी से है वो. कैपजी बनी से आया था कल जो कॉल आया था ना.
कैब
कैपजी
जी
मनी से
बनी.
था वो.
कैब जेमिनी है, ठीक है, वो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
कैब जेमिनी, हाँ। और एक और कोई
ठीक है,
थर्ड पार्टी का है।
स्क्रीन शेयर कर, स्क्रीन शेयर।
स्क्रीन, आपकी स्क्रीन शेयर है इसलिए मेरी स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही
अच्छा,
है।
तो हाँ
इफ
यार,
नॉट स्टार्ट
हाँ ठीक है ठीक
स्क्रीन
है,
शेयर।
मैं बंद कर देता हूँ, ठीक। हम्म, ठीक है, हाइपर वी पे इंफ्रा है, डीडीसी है, पीबीएस है। डीडीसी को पावर ऑन कर, इसको कनेक्ट कर, डीडीसी को, इसको हमने कॉन्फ़िगर कर लिया था ना डीडीसी को।
हाँ, डीडीसी को अपने कॉन्फ़िगर कर लिया था।
हाँ, एक बार सिर्फ स्टूडियो ओपन कर दे इसका।
हाँ।
So, Sava, do you have any kind of PBS infra in your organization?
What do you mean previous infra?
Like Citrix provisioning services, or you are still working with the MCS only? Because what I understand from your infra, you are working with MCS, like machine creation services.
Yes.
Okay, means you do not have any PBS infra. Okay, no worries. So here is the lab we already set up with Akhilesh on MCS kind of things. So let's wait for studio to open, and I will let you know how things are connected. And one more thing, if you have hardware, it is good. If you don't have hardware, please do not restrict yourself. You can ask me, I will arrange hardware for you. But okay, just let me know. Like as you told me, like you have some meetings tomorrow, right? So, are
Yeah.
you leading the project from your organization, or it is something like you have to involve into those meetings? What is that scenario?
Um, that I will come to know tomorrow because still
Okay.
now I was in lead for email
Mhm.
gateways migration
Okay. Okay.
and
Mhm.
Office 365, but tomorrow I am not sure if they'll put me in or not. There
Mhm.
is one architect there, but
Mhm.
he has no idea of Citrix infrastructure we have.
Okay.
But they will keep me in that project.
Okay, so do one thing, whatever the points to be noted, please note those points down. If you can understand, if you
Sure,
cannot understand, please note down those points, and you can ping me or you can text me anytime. I will help you in
sure,
that. Okay,
sure. Thank you.
but please do not sit ideal over on those meetings. The reason is that because
No,
the migration
yeah,
and transactions are the those kind of things are very much complicated. Means it may take up to 6 months to migrate the infra. No one knows,
yeah,
right? Because of the policies, because of the restrictions, multiple factors are there, right? Because
yes,
no one take the responsibility to impact the current and running operation, right? So that is a big deal actually.
yes.
So it's not be like that you are attending a meeting tomorrow and day after tomorrow they will migrate the entire thing. It will never be going to happen, right?
No, no, no. It's a discovery session. So
Yeah,
I'll get,
yeah.
I guess they'll come up with the plan and all.
Mhm.
Yeah, so that's how it happened with a few other components.
Mhm.
I think it's going to take about an year to move entire
That's
company
what I told you,
infrastructure
na.
to
You
them.
can consider at
Yeah,
least 6 months without any tension. You
yeah.
will get multiple things to learn. Okay. अखिलेश,
यस सर, शैल आई गिव यू कंट्रोल?
नहीं कंट्रोल नहीं चाहिए, मशीन कैटलॉग पे क्लिक कर।
अपन ने यहाँ पर इसको आगे कुछ नहीं किया था, अपन ने सिर्फ उसका वीडियो क्रिएट किया
हाँ
था।
ठीक है ना, वो हमें चाहिए भी नहीं, तो अभी एक काम करो, सिटी स्टूडियो पर राइट क्लिक कर। एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड। ओके। सो अखिलेश, ये जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वाला टैब है ना, इसको एक्सपेंड कर दे एक बार।
ये वाला।
हम्म, ना ना, ये नहीं, अरे ऑन योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन टैब। in the last हाँ configuration tab
Yes.
इसको wait कर लो थोड़ा सा close कर इसको okay.
Hmm.
So Saba, so here is the like it
Yeah.
is the Citrix Studio. I think you already have access to it, right? So
Yes.
how things are interconnected is that Akhilesh, close that pop-up. So into the administration, you might have some idea. It will show the list of the administrator for Citrix virtual apps and desktop. Like in if you have ever seen. Okay, one more thing I have to. Okay, so Shaba, you have your production infra, na? So you can share your screen as
Yeah.
well. I will explain there only how things are connected.
Sure.
And let me stop the recording as you are going to share the production in screen, right?